Delta government no go fit stop high cost of rent for Asaba. Welcome country people to Senok Media. If you dey view our channel for the first time, abeg make you subscribe. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Delta state government don talk say the way high cost of rent take dey for Asaba, the state capital, na due to urban development and the things wey e dey follow development. The government come be like who dey helpless to stop landlords from charging outrageous amounts from tenants. But they dey tell the people wey e dey vex say make dem see the good side of the development. The government also dey tell the people make dem see the development of the city say na answered prayer. E say we are proud say our city dey grow faster than any other city, and you no go fit dey grow and expect say you go still pay the same rent wey you dey pay in the time past. Na Asaba Aniagwu, the State Commissioner for Works, Rural and Public Information, na dey talk dis thing so. For one research wey Business Days newspaper carry out, e say 2-bedroom apartment for Asaba don rise from 200,000 to about 600 and 800,000 naira annually for old houses, while for newly built houses e dey between 1 million and 2 million per year. E say in many cases na the same amount dem dey take for 3-bedroom flat, even when e dey difficult to get a single room or self-contained apartment for the state capital. E say this one na beside other charges like agent fee, legal fee, and caution fee. The situation don make am impossible for low-income earners to afford accommodation for the state capital. Small businesses also dey find am difficult to rent shop, as the type when they use to dey go dey pay 180,000 and 250,000 naira before, e dey between 500,000 and 1.5 million naira now, depending on the area, the streets, the plaza, and major markets like the Ogbogonogo market. This pattern when e dey trend so, e come be like say landlords of old houses dey quit the tenants make dem for fit collect the new rent, since the old tenants dem dey force dem to comot. Dem go come renovate the old house make e for attract new tenants. While the high cost of rent dey largely blamed say na inflation and harsh economic realities for the country, some people also dey blame am say na because of yahoo boys and greedy landlords and their agents. Some tenants for one part of Asaba, they recently drag landlord association for their area go court. They dey challenge wetin they call unreasonable increase for their house rent. The high cost of rent so e don dey negatively dey impact the living standard of the average citizens. The situation now don dey push affected tenants to relocate out of the city, or they go dey borrow anytime when e reach to pay house rent or shop rent. They no go fit come dey take care of other things when they need to do. The residents of the state, they want the state government make e intervene, make e give executive order on the issue of high cost of rent for the capital territory. The state government, on their part, according to Aniagwu, e come dey respond to one question wey dey ask am for press briefing. And then come dey talk say, you no dey go inside rotten mouth to begin dey look for a healthy teeth. He say because when the mouth rotten, the belief be say everything when e dey inside the mouth and the teeth in that mouth, e go also dey affected. He say you dey ask for development for Asaba. He say development e dey come with e own challenges. He say Asaba dey grow fast than any other city. So you no go expect say the town dey grow fast and you go see dey pay the same money when you dey pay for house rent when Asaba never grow like that. He say you dey enjoy modern equipment. You want to still pay old rent? He say e no go happen now. He say because of the development of the state capital and the fact say more people dey come because of say the place dey peaceful and the other efforts when government dey put, because of the large population when e dey enter. He say the issue of accommodation and other things when e dey follow, e dey move for arithmetic progression. So you go see the imbalance between supply and demand. He say in dey sure say any student of economics, e go know say when supply outweigh demand, he say the forces of demand and supply go set in. And in this case, he say you get many more people dey chase the fewer accommodation, and that one e dey give no room for people. And Aniagwu come talk too, say not be just the issue of rent in terms of houses, but also the issue of buying and also to sell land, as the prices of land e don increase astronomically and the owners of land dey smile to bank. He say those plot of land when you get before, when they dey sell from 1 million, now you dey sell am for 25 million, you dey happy. And you think say the man when he buy that land for 25 million naira, he go happy to come charge you rent from land when they suppose sell 1 million, he come buy at 25 million. He say e no go fit happen like that. Say because of the forces of demand and supply. He come say wetin government dey plan to do na to open up other frontiers, other corridors across the 25 local government area of the state. He say now government don start one program, although they dey experiment am with 3 local government first. He say they go build 50 houses to cater for the need of civil servants first. He say at the moment, they go build 33 bedroom flats and then 22 bedroom flats. He say you go want to say na only 50. He say not forget say where you build 2 bedroom flat, you not just dey build am for one person. He say that person, he go come with him family and they go fit dey up to 4 or 5 when he go live there. So if you times the number, you know wetin that one mean. He come say also, apart from the building, that thing go still create jobs for people when they dey the construction sector. He say the desire of government na to see and they go fit do this thing across the 25 local government areas of the state. He say they start from Ika Northeast and they get one place for Uzoro and another one for Kwale. He say these are the 3 areas where they don start the pilot scheme and they make sure say a lot of progress e dey there in terms of construction. So now you don also see say government wan open up the Ugbolu houses and dem dey build some roads there so that e go give access to people wey need dey live for that side. E say dem dey open some roads for other areas too to expand the frontiers of development so that development not dey within a certain restricted geographical area. Say because when you restrict am to a very small area, everybody go dey struggle to get space, and that one go trigger some form of demand push inflation. So once you open up a corridor and people get the opportunity to settle for anywhere they want, they go build and they go move in. Say for example, you go see number of people when you don build for Okpanam who before now wan stay inside Asaba. So you go also see say people don go towards Isila Asaba. People don dey build fine houses there because they go fit access those plots of land since roads don dey. So you say all those extensions, e go help to reduce the demand and the challenge when e come with development for Asaba. So these ones too go help fight the high cost of rent. Say by the time government do all those ones, e go help tackle the challenge when e dey happen when demand dey far than supply. Say these na the things when government dey do. E say people go remember say during the time of Ifeanyi Okowa, the former governor of the state, e say the state no get power to intervene on the issue of high cost of rent. E come say make landlords make dem not make their rent so outrageous, make people not come start to dey pack out, and make dem not come dey care again for such houses. Residents of Asaba, e don dey look up to the government make dem intervene for the way landlord dem dey fix price for their rent. But from the body language of the government, e no go possible for government intervention. So residents dem, especially civil servants, when e no get any house of their own, they dey now dey look up to government for their housing program, and they dey believe say this pilot scheme when they don start for 3 local government areas, so they go extend am to the rest of the local government areas for the state. Country people, how una see this development?